All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This is a dedicated video for a sponsor. This is sponsored by Techaday Giveaway.com. They are giving away a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I'm here to tell you about it. Yes, I'm partnering with Techaday Giveaway.com, and there's a giveaway for a Galaxy S25 Ultra. Yes, folks, it's no trickeries, no games or anything like that, and no purchase necessary. So that's the big thing. So I have roughly 150,000 people following me, and I want to see everybody hit that link and go down and enter. Now, there's good and there's bad news. Which one do you want first? The bad news, or do you want your dessert first? I'll give you the bad news. The bad news is you only have about 9 days left of the recording of this video to hurry up and get your entries in. Yes, that's the bad news. That's it. No sales pitch, anything. All you have to do is go to the link and get your entries in. And when you go to the link, you'll see it's a raffle style link, and you'll just do as many entries as you can, and you have an opportunity to win. So all the people that always say, well, give me a phone, give me a phone, give me a phone, now's your chance. I see all your comments, and so partnering with TechadayGiveaway.com, this makes it easier on me. So I don't have to ship the phone to you, anything like that. They will take care of everything. So the link's in the description. Yeah, the bad news was, you only got about 9 days left for the recording of this video. So the good news is no purchase, nothing, just use the link. So I have about 150,000 people almost looking at me that are subscribed to me. So that, therefore, I should have about at least 100,000 people that enter into this giveaway. It's got to be. It doesn't cost you anything. All you do is go to the link, enter in, and that's it. Doesn't get any easier than that, right? So if you hung in there, this is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra giveaway. Now, no excuse. Again, no excuse for anybody who always says for me to give them a phone. Well, let's get it done this time. So there's a link in the description. I hope you guys hit that link and join up. And yeah, I think you're going to be pretty shocked that you actually own a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. There it is, your man Jay. Straight to the point. No games here. Use the link. Win a phone. It's just that simple. Take care.